Get the hell out of here. Sitting here in the Ralph's parking lot, waiting for the wife, and this guy pulls up. I don't know what year, but it's the passenger, maybe the 15 passenger. It's nice. The seats are still in it. Wonder if he's gonna convert. He better. Can't waste a gem like this on a 15-seater. Oh, it's a 350 XLT, but not the long, not the extended. So he's got the AC in there. I bet you I could tell what year this is. It's probably a 2007, 6. The 8s, I believe, or the 9s have the new fronts.
Right now, the prosecutors came in and agreed with the defense that there was a corrupt cop who was at the center of the conviction case, and that the prosecutors at the time never told the defense that.
I wanted to get your guys' thoughts. I replaced that right there. The other ones were real foggy and yellow. I like how that looks. I like the orange, but these lights also came with this side marker that's black, a smoked out one. What do you think? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I did this pantry door, and I liked how that pattern came out, and it inspired me to go ahead and do something else. I got some more scrap wood and put a wall back here. This is temporary, and I put a wall back here, and I created that wall because I wanted to put a TV in this space. So the TV is going to go back here, and maybe on some kind of swivel so I can move it over if I need to open up these guys. And this little, I swear the Navy helicopters are going over today. I don't know what's going on. Biden. So this gave me an idea how it's boxed out like this. I have these strip lights, and I will be framing that. There's the pattern again, same as this one. So learning as I go, thinking about this ceiling now, but this will be something last because I gotta put that fan up there. I probably will put the mattress in tonight. It needs 48 hours to expand so I can see how much of this stuff it covers. But so far, a little cabin on wheels. So that's that. I don't know how I feel. If I'm claustrophobic, does it feel claustrophobic? Again, it's temporary, that's why the light's showing through under. Or I could put it on some type of blocks where I fasten it to the back of the wall there, and it lets light in, so it's a square of light that comes through, sort of like, you know, so it's not so dark back here now. I covered this window. I was gonna put a shade down there, and what I'm thinking now is get a curtain, cut that half off, and put a blackout curtain that I can just slide open and closed so I can see out. Because it would be cool if, you know, we're laying here, we got this window and that window at our feet to look out at the mountains or the forest or the river or the Walmart sign. I do have the plumbing changed up a bit. Actually, I changed the tanks out, so now this should be a little bit easier to maneuver in there. Those other tanks were just too big, too beaucoup. My water pump's coming tomorrow, so that'll be up in here, and then once that's in here, hook up the water, test that out. Starting to look woodsy in here, yeah? Alrighty then. Until tomorrow. See what else we can get done then.